Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best bulletin board borders are probably one of the most versatile and impactful ways to elevate any classroom or workspace, transforming a plain corkboard into a vibrant focal point that captures attention and sets a positive tone for learning and creativity. These straight-edged borders, often available in a myriad of colors, patterns, and themes, are designed to add a professional and polished finish to your displays, making them an essential tool for educators, event planners, and anyone looking to enhance their visual communication. They are simple to apply, yet their effect is profound, creating a cohesive and engaging environment that can inspire students and colleagues alike. Number 5. Pacon Bordette Decorative Border, Black. Introducing a classic decorative border, perfect for adding a professional touch to your displays. It's fade-resistant and designed to last. This sturdy border provides a unique three-dimensional appearance on any flat surface. It's designed to stand out and enhance your bulletin boards. Unleash your creativity with its ability to bend, mold, turn, and twist. You can easily create unique layered designs to make your projects pop. This option comes in a bold, classic black color. It's versatile and complements any theme or color scheme you choose. Each roll measures 2.25 inches by 50 feet, providing ample material. One roll is enough to completely edge two standard 8-foot by 4-foot bulletin boards. It's incredibly easy to work with, allowing for quick and efficient decorating. Get the look you want with minimal effort. What we like? This option offers a unique 3D effect with its pre-scalloped design. If you're looking to add depth and texture to your bulletin boards, this is a fantastic choice. Its fade-resistant quality ensures your display stays vibrant over time. What people say? Thick, sturdy paper. Good length. Perfect black border for my bulletin boards. They held up great all year long, even with middle schoolers pulling and tugging on them. I do like that they come in such long strips, so I could edge my bulletin boards in full strips instead of small chunks. Number 4. Teacher-created resources black straight border trim. Add a touch of fun and color to your learning space. Use this versatile trim to create exciting new looks for bulletin boards, windows, and walls. It's perfect for bulletin boards, walls, doors, and any display you can imagine. You can even cut it to your desired length for a custom fit. Crafted from thick yet flexible paper, it creates eye-catching displays that last. The compact roll is also easy to store when not in use. Measuring 3 inches by 50 feet, it's the ideal size for all your classroom decorating needs. Make your space vibrant and engaging. Easily mix and match with other coordinating products to create a cohesive and inspiring classroom theme. Let your creativity shine. What we like? With a generous 3-inch width and a thick yet flexible paper, this border provides excellent coverage and is easy to work with. If you need a versatile option that's simple to customize for various displays, this is the one for you. What people say? Easy to use and very sleek, makes my boards look sharp and professional. I like that there was plenty on the roll to use on 2 boards and have some left over. The color lasted the entire school year without fading. It was easy to measure and apply to my bulletin boards. This border is perfect. It comes in a roll but isn't super curly when you try to hang it. The roll is a good length. I've only used it for 1 board, but there is still so much left. Color is a beautiful almost matte finish. Number 3. Zonon black and white polka dots bulletin board borders. Transform your classroom with these decorative borders. They are designed to help you quickly create beautiful bulletin board backgrounds that will capture your students' attention. You'll receive a generous 65-foot roll, easily cut to your desired size. This ensures you have more than enough to complete any project you have in mind. Crafted from thick, flexible paper, these borders are built to last. The classic dot pattern is printed with inks that resist fading, ensuring your decor stays vibrant. Featuring a timeless polka dot design, this trim adds a simple yet elegant touch. It seamlessly blends with various classroom themes and existing decorations. Make your bulletin board stand out and draw attention to important information. These borders are a perfect addition to create a more charming and engaging learning environment. Beyond bulletin boards, use them to liven up doors, windows, and even chalkboards. They are a fantastic way to add a polished look to any part of your classroom. What we like? This border offers an impressive 65 feet of length, perfect for extensive decorating needs. If you appreciate a classic, eye-catching design like polka dots and need a durable option that won't fade, this is an excellent selection for creating a charming classroom environment. What people say. The borders are easy to apply and remove. They add a nice decorative touch to the bulletin board. The straight edge design provides a clean and professional look. Number 2. Teacher-created resources blackwood border trim. Easily add a touch of fun and color to your learning space. This versatile trim is perfect for creating fresh looks on bulletin boards, windows, and walls. Go beyond bulletin boards. Use it to enhance your class projects and create a cohesive theme by mixing and matching with other coordinating products. With a 50-foot roll, you have plenty to work with. It's the perfect size for decorating all your displays around the classroom. Measuring 3 inches wide, this trim is ideal for bulletin boards, walls, and doors. You can easily cut it to your desired length for any application. Crafted from thick yet flexible paper, it creates eye-catching displays that last. The compact roll is also easy to store when not in use. What we like. This border features a stylish wood grain design, adding a natural touch to your displays. If you're aiming for a warm, inviting classroom aesthetic and need a durable, easy-to-cut material, this option is ideal for creating cohesive themes. What people say. It's a beautiful deep black with a wooden look. The roll has so much on it. This is a great border to layer. It's thicker than the average border and the image pattern is clear. I've since ordered more of this brand. I also love that it's a roll versus strips. Much easier to store. The black faux with scallop trim has been perfect for bulletin board boards. Number 1. HMagnets magnetic whiteboard borders. Elevate your classroom's visual appeal with these fun and eye-catching magnetic strips. They add charm and won't slip or move once placed. These strips are more than twice as wide as others, ensuring they stand out and are easily visible. You get 12 strips, totaling 24 feet of magnetic border. Effortlessly partition your whiteboard for schedules, subjects, or group work. You can adjust or cut them to fit your specific needs without any damage. Simply place these strong magnetic borders onto your whiteboard, no tape or adhesive required. They leave no marks or residue, keeping your board pristine. Featuring an improved, thicker magnetic layer, these strips stay securely in place. You can reuse them year after year to divide your board as needed. Before purchasing, please test your whiteboard with a magnet to ensure it is magnetic. This will help you determine the right amount needed for your space. What we like. The standout feature here is its magnetic backing, offering effortless, damage-free installation and repositioning on whiteboards. If you frequently change your whiteboard layouts or need to divide space without tape residue, this is the ultimate convenience for teachers. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.